Daddy,
Ah,
sasabihin ako.
ano yan? Lika rito. Ano yung sabihin mo? Dito, lika dito. Ano yung sabihin mo?
Tawa ka sa akin.
Sama ko sa'yo? Saan tayo pupunta?
Basta sama ka lang sa akin.
Sama lang ako sa'yo.
Yes.
Talaga?
Yes.
Sige.
Yes.
Sige.
Sabahan mo lang ako.
Okay. Sama kita.
Yes, samahan
Okay.
kita.
Dito mo ba ako sasamahan?
Yes!
Dito mo naman pala ako sasamahan. Saan ba tayo?
Sa SM!
Ising na naman.
Sa palaruan ng SM!
Ano pa gagawin natin dito? Eh di...
Laro!
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, try mo. Daya naman nun. Oh. Daddy, try it, daddy. Kukunin mo sa side up. Try mo side up.
That's good!
Hmm?
That's good!
Okay. Eh? 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 Got it? Galing ah! Tatay, ikot, ikot! Si Psyduck. Si Psyduck. Oh, yung Pokemon. Ayan. Ah, gusto mo dyan? Why? Why next time? You want? Dalawa tayo? Ha?
We need to be on three.
Three tayo nila, mami. Saan tayo pupunta? Ha? Saan tayo pupunta?
There is so many tickets we can buy something.
Can buy something?
We can buy something, but with food or toy. You know, Daddy?
Sure. Dog? Saan si daddy dito? Titignan ko lang ito. Tingnan lang daddy.
Oh my gosh, Daddy, don't buy any. You said you don't have money to afford them.
I just had mommy. Ganda oh.
Not that's so pretty at all. You have so many socks, you have so many shoes. What are you gonna do with them? Just wear it or whatever?
Yes. Oh, right.
Oh my god!
Mio. Ito yung gusto ni Lolo Mio. Ang ganda oh.
Maybe next year for his birthday.
Yes. Okay. Ganda oh.
That's not pretty.
Ganda anak eh oh.
It's boring.
Ito.
Really, Daddy?
Yan. Jollibee na ko. Ayun na. Ayan, papicture ka Jollibee dali. Picture ka Jollibee. Jollibee! Papicture! Jollibee! Ayun si Jollibee! Jollibee! Papicture! Dali, papicture ka Jollibee. Ayun na, papicture ka Jollibee. Papicture! Jollibee!